Pressure was 30.14 inches and rising. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Hall County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Lumpkin County in north-central Georgia, southwestern White County in northeastern Georgia until 4:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Gainesville, Cleveland, Claremont, Garland, Walhatchee Lake, Camp Coleman Lake, and Turner's Corner. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. At 10 p.m.